chicken wings. Let's make half a kilogram wings. One tsp soy sauce, 1 tsp lemon juice, 1 tsp chili sauce, 1 tsp vinegar, 1 tsp tomato ketchup. Mix well with washed hands. Marinate for 30 minutes. 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup corn flour, 1 tsp salt, garlic powder 1 tsp red chili powder. Mix well. Now coat the wings into dry batter. Now dip in cold water. Again dry batter. We'll repeat same steps. In a hot oil, deep fry them. Turn over the sides. When they become crispy golden brown, just take them out. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, share, and comment.